heck? Oh, it's on. I'm about to be doing videos on video.
Chucktown girl, now Rock Hill living. I graduated from college. My channel is what you're feeling. I can do some vlogs and do some challenges. I even motivate you when your money's feeling shit. Now just tune in. I just got started. Promise make you laugh. I promise I keep it coming back to see what's new with my channel and all. It's the Ashley Show, and I'm rocking with y'all. Hey, the Ashley Show. It's the Ashley Show. Hey, the Ashley Show. It's the Ashley Show. Welcome back to another cooking segment, okay? On the Ashley Show, in the kitchen, where things get made. I have my mom here. Say hello.
Hi.
And what are we making today?
Pizza. We're gonna do supreme on one half and pepperoni on the other.
Yeah. Well, we're doing pretty much supreme on the whole thing.
Well, supreme on the whole thing.
Yeah. So let's introduce the ingredients, okay? So here we have our sausage. We already cut them up, as you can see over here. But we have sweet Italian sausage. We have some bell peppers. We love our bell peppers, onions, and mushrooms. What kind of mushrooms? Like, what kind of
Baby Bella mushrooms.
Baby Bella mushrooms. We have our pepperoni here. Like I said, we have our sausage here. And then we are going to choose which one we want. We either are going to get the tomato basil, or we're going to do the tomato basil and garlic. Okay? So whichever one we choose. We got some basil and parsley here. Get some pepper, and I think that's it. So last night we made the dough. How do we make the dough?
Yeah, 1 stick of butter, 3 cups of self-rising flour, and a cup of milk.
Yes, exactly. And here's our dough.
That's the dough.
So we are about to roll it out. We have our rolling pin, because you can't cook pizza without a rolling pin, right? We got the rolling pin. What else do we where's that little thing? Right here.
This is the pizza cutter.
The little pizza cutter, all right?
Yeah.
So look at her getting the rolling thing together. All righty. So that is everything. Stay tuned. So are we gonna fold the ends to make it like a crust? You know, like the
Once we get it in the pan, you know what I mean? Right?
Rolling,
I thought the
rolling,
just,
rolling on the river, rolling, rolling, rolling on the river. All right, I cannot wait. Cannot wait. It is looking good. How's it coming along?
It's coming. I just gotta see if I can get it out a little more.
So what is your favorite memories of cooking with your mother?
Making sweet potato pies and making pie crusts and cakes. Nice lemon cake.
This is our first time cooking pizza. How do you think it's gonna turn out?
It goes out pretty good. Better than you can imagine.
Here it is. As you can see, maybe one side might be a little thick crust, and then one side might be thin crust. But here we go. So I'm about to put on the sauce. We decided to go with tomato, basil, and garlic. Oh, I'm excited, but I'm like nervous. I haven't made this before. Shoot. You guys definitely are gonna have to comment and let me know some things that you do when you make your homemade pizza, or is there anything that you've made for the first time and it turned out amazing. This is our first time. So like, I mean, I'm just gonna be really, really excited and happy if this turns out amazing. Sauce already smells really good. Get it all in the sauce here. Who likes a lot of sauce? Who likes a lot of sauce? You like a lot of sauce, Mom?
It's fine, actually. Just do your thing, girl. Do your thing.
Telling me to do my thing. She's watching the show. Comment down below and let me know what you guys have been doing during quarantine. A lot of people have been cooking more. People have been on TikTok. People have been dancing more. Hopefully people are still staying active if they were busybodies and active in the beginning. But I definitely have been cooking / eating more. But I've been trying to stay active as well because dancing and being a group instructor was what I did and what I was used to doing. And so I want to just keep it that way. Alright, we might add a little more sauce and then I think we're good. It's looking good. It's looking real good. I'm excited, I'm excited, I'm excited, I'm excited.
I love you. Papa l'americano.
So we have regular mild cheddar cheese and we have mozzarella, both finely shredded. I'm gonna do both. I think that's the order. Cheese, right? Then you put the other things on top.
Come da venga, vedi, I love you. Papa l'americano. Papa l'americano. Papa l'americano.
Our pepperoni. I'm not sure if maybe I should have put the pepperoni like under all of this because I know, but like when the pepperoni cooks, like wouldn't I mean I want the pepperoni, maybe the pepperoni should be closer to the cheese.
Papa l'americano. Papa l'americano. Papa l'americano.
So how do you feel about the quarantine?
Quarantine. Ain't nothing I can't feel. I'm just following what the governor says. Governor says stay in until it's clear to go back out and go to work. That's what I'm doing. So I'm staying in.
How do you think life is gonna be after quarantine?
It's gonna be a little different. You know, it'll be a little while before we can really get back to being in the norm. normalcy. But in the meantime, we just gotta continue to wear our masks when we go out. And, constantly wash your hands. And that's all we can do right now until we, find out more of what needs to be done. There's nothing else you can do. You just got to live life and live it to the fullest.
Exactly. Let's check on the pizza.
Yeah, check on the pizza. Looking good. Yes, looking good.
Smells good. Just waiting.
Oh, that's real pizza. Better than the Pizza Hut people.
We're gonna start making our own pizza, huh?
That's it. Start making our own pizza. Look delicious, you. Delicious pizza, doesn't it?
Oh! Woo! It look real good. Not burnt or nothing,
I'm
bro.
telling you.
Hey!
Ooh, Ashley, famous pizza.
Hey.
Teamwork, huh?
Teamwork.
Come on, teamwork. Hey.
Woo! Alright, so get the cutter.
All right,
We're gonna have to cut it.
Where's the cutter?
Get the cutter, get the cutter.
Ooh, we cannot wait. I'm gonna try this piece of cutter and I had it for years. I know. I think you're supposed to cut it like a pie, right? Like this.
Well,
No, you don't. You go all the way across and then do it. I mean, I don't know. What you
just
think?
cut. Yeah, I guess you can go
Go
all the way across.
Yeah, and then
Y'all
You can
look!
do it.
Ooh,
You
looks
go all the way
so
across.
good.
And then once you do it all the way across, it's cutting.
It looks
then-
so good.
I think
I
I'm
am
gonna-
so
Then I
ready.
think I'm gonna do it this way, and then you know what I'm saying? You just keep doing
Woo.
it, okay? Ash, you understand? You do
Mom, go ahead.
I'm just
Tell me the
saying.
algorithm. Go ahead.
Okay, you do this. It's half. Then now you're gonna cut it another and be 4. Then within that 4 is the big pieces. Then you're gonna just split that one in half, and then you come up with a total of 2, 4, 6, 8. So it starts off being
a whole, then a half, then a fourth. Okay, all right, then
okay.
I gotta be careful, y'all. I got my wisdom teeth out earlier in the week. Barely can even chew. Do it.
This year, crust is so good.
What do you think? Normally I don't like Italian sausage. Like
It's
I
good.
don't like Italian sausage on. If I get supreme, I'm picking the Italian sausage off. But
It's good.
one thing I can say, this sausage
It's delicious.
is delicious.
It's good. That's good.
Cheers.
We ain't even wait till it's cool. People say, dang, they ain't even wait till it's cool.
Everything turned out well.
Yeah.
Sausage, bell peppers, onions, mushrooms, mozzarella and cheddar cheese,
Italian sausage.
and pepperoni.
Good.
Really good. And the crust formed really well.
You did.
We made it.
You did.
Are we gonna be selling it at our house now?
You might. You never know. One great idea. You do another, you know?
Exactly. We just need maybe a little Parmesan cheese.
Pick that up tomorrow if you like.
You know how you always have that one drawer with all those sausage? I mean, all those sausage.
Sauce. But I never had
All those sauce. I always
but I
thought.
never had Parmesan cheese sauce though.
I don't know. As much as I like order pizza, I thought we would have extra.
Well, you did have extra the other day, and I was like, I don't think we need to keep this. Trash it. You did. I was like, whatever extra we needed.
should I ask?
I should have, because you had to order something from.
It's
It's
good.
good without. To me. It's really good.
I feel like our crust is softer than you would eat it at other restaurants.
Right. It's like a crust, almost like a pie crust or something. You just try it? Try it. You know what?
Thank you. I'm gonna really eat the rest of this with a fork.
It's up to you. I'm just enjoying it.
And this is our first mukbang. Where you eat in front of the camera. And now, look, now she's like a camera.
I hope you don't be forcing and stuff.
Oh, it's going up. It's going up. Mom, you knew we was taking a bite on camera.
Yeah, but then you gotta put it all this. Turn it off now.
All right, say goodbye then.
Bye.
Right.
Toodaloops.
It was successful.
It was great.
Be sure to comment, like, share, and
Subscribe. Of course, subscribe of all means.
bye-bye.